wasn't looking for much, checking out the scene. Wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool. I prefer to stay in the cut. Don't want no attention on me when I'm trying to shake the blues up off me. But then I saw your face. It caused my heart to race. Girl, you're looking like $1 million. Something about the way you strut your stuff.
So I've been using the Mac combo for a little bit of time now. Now my Mac Studio is an M2 Max base model. That's right, just a base model. Now some people might want to know why I got the base model. It's because it's price affordable. I know, Mac, not really affordable, but this is the best they have to offer. Now if you want to get a MacBook Pro, just the base model Pro chip, it's $2,000. And I got the M2 Max chip for the same price, so that's why I just had to do it. Now part of the reason why I wanted to get this is because it comes with the 32 gigabytes of RAM and the upgraded chip. And if you know me and you know this channel, you know I've had the MacBook Pro, but only the M1 Pro chip and the M2 Pro chip. So I needed the M2 Max. And boy, is it maxing. Now just a quick breakdown of the setup. I got an adjustable height desk, walnut top, Logitech keyboard, Logitech mouse, Mac Studio, studio monitor, AirPods Max, and a Samsung SSD. And that's the base level of what I got. But let's start off with the monitor. Everybody knows the stats on this monitor, 27 inches in 5K. But this is one of the only 5K monitors on the market for this size, and look, I'm telling you, it's worth it. I know, super expensive, but yet worth it. I love this monitor. I've never had a problem out of this monitor. I use it with both PC and Mac, and this is literally the best monitor that I could afford. Now, Samsung does have a different version if you didn't want to go with this one. That's on sale right now for around $9.99. But this is the best thing on the market. Sleek lines, great design, fits in with everything perfectly, and not to mention, it's just perfectly above the Mac Studio itself. Functionality wise, you get the 4 ports on the back, which means you get to plug up anything you want to in the back of the monitor and it's gonna work on whatever device you're using. But for me, I just need the 1 cord. Look, say what you want, but the Mac Studio is the perfect device for creators, man. And probably you too. We've got ports, and then we've got more ports, and an SD card slot. And did I mention this is the M2 Max chip? So there is gonna be an M3 Max chip and the M3 Ultra and anything else that you wanna come up with. But right now, this is all that I really need. And for the average person, I'm pretty sure this is all you need too. You can do everything from typing to design to editing to photo editing to video editing, or just surfing the web. Now, if you want a big review of both of these things, let me know down in the comment section. But right now, I just came to let you guys know that if you got the money, this is what you need to go for. And that'll be it for me. Peace.